Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can check your Jeep Cherokee transmission fluid. So before we start, you need a special tool called the dipstick 10323A. Now you want to go ahead and remove this specific plug on your Jeep engine or on your transmission bay right here. And you could just go ahead and insert this and let it sit for around a minute. Pull it out, and basically from there it will then indicate the actual transmission fluid level right here on the dipstick that we have used. Now you could go ahead and get this from online shops out there. It's highly accessible. You can just go ahead and search this specific number, and from there you are basically good to go. Before you start, you want to make sure that your engine is at 50 degrees, or I believe 122 Fahrenheit, and that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.